Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we're still defending this weekly level, and if you go back to 2016, you'll see this level very clear, 105,228, and it's the second time this year that or the third time this year that we're actually defending it. So nice juicy pin bar here, but it has been a really strong downtrend. So what we're looking for is to see whether this is a potential reversal or if it's just a pullback in the trend. And this move from Friday, which was basically the jobs number, is not really clear because we've kind of turned in no man's land. I would expect us to look for support somewhere in this area here. We've also got all the chaos in Israel, which is also impacting or strengthening the dollar. So when you look through the time frame, you see this hour here, big indication here started going, price came in, and in the month moving averages. So no clear signal. However, we do have some structure that is close to the structure there, which is 105,322, and then obviously 105,228. That's kind of the zone that we need to be paying attention to this morning. Now, if I drop down to the hour, you can see complete chaos. Above and below moving averages now in amongst the moving averages here. So there's the hour level we are now. You can see the high of Thursday. We are testing the moment. So at the moment, possible trend to the side. The minute you drop down to 15 minutes,